Sometimes it's good to see just how much chaos you can create before you bring order back into a painting. So I started with this vibrant red background and splattered an insane amount of paint, watery paint, all over the surface. I then started to rub back into it a little bit with a rag, just lifting off some of the colours, and then with a brush, started to block in some of the tones, the dark areas, the light areas, thinking about warmth and coolness, and gradually building up some drawing back into that chaos with a small brush and strong light and dark paints. Throughout this process I was using a very limited palette: burnt umber, magenta, phthalo blue, lemon yellow and titanium white. I tried to keep the paint as fluid as possible and dragged my brush around into the water to create those hard edges, giving the water a nice shine. You can still see a lot of that red showing through the background, and that unifies the composition and gives a great sense of contrast against all the blues